Now I am going to discuss about CAN, Ceric ammonium nitrate. It is a strong oxidizing agent in acidic medium. It is one electron oxidizing agent. It is soluble in water and insoluble in organic solvent. CAN is found in orange red color. It exists in two adjacent oxidation state +3 and +4. Structure of CAN is cerium NH4 twice, NO3 6 times. The salt consists of anion cerium NO3 6 times 2 minus and a pair of ammonium counter ions. In the anion, each nitrate group is chelated to cerium atom in bidentate manner. It is used as a Lewis acid catalyst among the lanthanide complexes. Advantages of ceric ammonium nitrate are low toxicity, inexpensive, air stable. Electronic configuration of cerium in ground state is written as xenon 4f5 5d1 6s2. Let us check oxidation reaction of CAN. Oxidation of alkene and arenes. Alkene undergo dinitroxylation reaction in presence of CAN. Example, nitrosyl group are introduced into octene by oxidation in presence of CAN. It also promotes benzylic oxidation of arenes. In aromatic ring, methyl group present in benzylic position are converted into formyl group are possible by CAN oxidation. The component hexaoxo-I6 orthocyclophane has been generated via CAN oxidation. Polynuclear aromatic is converted into quinones by CAN oxidation. Ceric ammonium nitrate has been in many oxidation reactions. First, we discuss about the oxidation of secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols are oxidized into ketones by CAN. Some examples are here. The secondary alcohol is selectively oxidized into carbonyl compounds with a catalytic amount of ceric ammonium nitrate and another oxidant sodium bromide. Similarly, the hydroxy ketone group is converted into benzyl group with ceric ammonium nitrate and one equivalent of sodium bromide and acetonitrile water solvent. Another is an interesting reaction. Here one secondary alcohol and one primary alcohol is there. Under this condition, CAN, sodium bromide and acetonitrile, only the secondary alcohol is oxidized. So this kind of primary alcohol is not oxidized with CAN. Then let us check which kind of primary alcohols can be oxidized by CAN. Primary alcohols like benzylic and allylic alcohol, which are more reactive than can be reacted with the CAN. Here the example of benzylic alcohol, these two are example for benzylic alcohols. The benzylic alcohol with CAN and TEMBO and acetonitrile solvent gives 92% of yield of benzaldehyde. Again, these alcohol converted into corresponding ketones. The next one is allylic alcohol. This one is allylic alcohol and other two are benzylic alcohol. The allylic alcohol is oxidized with CAN, TEMBO and acetonitrile solvent gives 94% of product. Now we can check the oxidation of secondary alcohol using TEMBO and ceric ammonium nitrate. This is TEMBO. This is TEMBO. Tetramethyl piperidine 1-nyl oxide. TEMBO also a single electron oxidant. TEMBO is oxidized by CAN and the cerium 4 plus is reduced into cerium 3 plus. Then TEMBO oxidizes the alcohol into ketone. Cerium 3 is again reoxidized to cerium 4 by oxygen and oxygen is get reduced to water. TEMBO and cerium 4 getting cyclized throughout this reaction. Another important oxidation reaction of CAN is oxidation of thioethers and sulfoxides. This thioether methyl phenyl ether is converted into corresponding sulfoxide in 99% yield with oxidation of CAN, sodium bromide and acetonitriles. Both aromatic system thioether also oxidized by CAN, sodium bromide and acetonitrile water give 96% of this sulfoxide. In next, both alkene group and sulfyl group are there. These also oxidized to sulfoxide in presence of CAN and sodium bromide. Then we check the oxidation of epoxide and aziridine. CAN also perform these reaction. Styrene epoxide is there with CAN and NBS. NBS means N-bromosuccinimide. One equivalent gives 2-hydroxyacetophenone. The alcohol is primary and the carbonyl group is secondary. And the ketone is secondary. In here, N-tosyl aziridine can be ring opening and followed by oxidation with the CAN. NBS gives aminoketones in 90% yield. Also, cyclized compound contain aziridine undergo opening and the condition of CAN and NBS gives this aminoketone. In here, the mechanism of reaction is CAN has hydrolyzed the substrate at first. Water is there. Ceric ammonium nitrate also Lewis acid. It will bind to the epoxide. That is, the cerium is bind with the epoxide. In here, oxygen and nitrogen to give the corresponding diol product is obtained. Diol product is intermediate here, and in case of aziridine. And it will bind to the epoxide and aziridine in here respectively. Then water will give alcohol. That alcohol get oxidized and NBS gives the corresponding keto product. In epoxide, intermediate is diol, and in case of aziridine, it is cerium and NTSOH. Then the next is oxidation of alkyl benzene and active methylene compound. Under certain condition, CAN oxidizes the alkyl benzene. Here the ethyl benzene is oxidized with CAN and potassium bromide to give acetophenones. Also, 2-methyl in the second the example, 2 methyl groups are there isopropyl benzene. Under this condition, only tertiary alcohol is formed in 90% yield. Diethyl malonate is here also is quite acidic, give keto ester product with CAN oxidation. In we can check the mechanism. At first, the single electron oxidation is happen. Cerium 4 changes to cerium 3. Here, the cerium 4 changes to cerium 3, and we get a radical at first, and again oxidation happen and gives carbocation. A carbocation is formed, and under this condition it will give alcohol, and when it gives the alcohol, when one of the R group is hydrogen, then it is a benzylic alcohol, and it undergoes further oxidation to form ketone. Oxidation of nitroalkanes. The nitroalkane oxidation is an alternative to the NEF reaction. NEF reaction is an organic reaction describing the acid hydrolysis of a salt of primary or secondary nitroalkane to aldehyde or ketone and nitro oxide. In a ketomacrolide synthesis, complication arising from side reaction caused by other reagents are avoided. It is used as a deprotecting reagent. It is used to release organic solvent from metal carbonyls. In here, in this reaction, Wolff's Dots reaction gives chromium half sandwiched complex, and the phenol ligands are isolated by CAN oxidation. And the next is we check the carbon sulfur bond formation. Oxidation of sulfinates by CAN forms sulfonyl radical. It on reaction with electron rich one like alkenes afford sulfones. Example, sodium 2 naphthalene sulfonate with vinyl sodium 2 naphthalene sulfonate with 1 vinyl cyclobutane in presence of CAN furnish ring enlarged product. Then CAN mediated reaction of aryl sulfonate and sodium iodide with alkenes afford vinyl sulfonates in very good yield. Let's check the mechanism. At first, iodine ion get oxidized by single electron oxidation with CAN gives iodine radicals, and it on further rearrangement gives the I2 molecules. Then aryl sulfonate react with the CAN and gives sulfonyl radicals, which on reaction with the alkene gives carbon-centered radical. Then the iodine radical, which on reaction with the alkene gives carbon-centered radical. Then iodine radical attached on it is removed from here, and the adjacent hydrogen also removed. It removed as HI and forms the double bond and form vinyl sulfonates. Then the next most important one is carbon halogen bond formation are possible by CAN. Ceric ammonium nitrate binds with metal bromide. It leads to the formation of bromide radical. It is then react with the carbon double bond, then forms carbon bromide bonds or carbon halogen bonds. As a result, a variety of alkene can be converted into 1,2-dibromide by CAN and bromide, acetylene into vicinal dibromoalkene, cinnamyl ester on reaction with CAN and lithium bromide and propagaryl alcohol give corresponding 2 alkoxy 1 bromo ester. Thank you.